Hi friends, good evening. This is Bhupati. In the previous video, we covered a regular expression practical session and we saw an example of how to extract digits using \d and how to extract word character using \w and also using greedy and lazy quantifiers and how to apply minimum and maximum to the quantifiers. Already we saw video sessions with an example only, but still regular expression needs lot of practice to master. So I have just put a video practical session before we start the next topic. Okay, now I'm going to explain in this video that we can also replace the pattern you use in our tool using your own text. Okay, there is an option called substitution under the function tab. On the left hand side of your regular expression tool, you can see this option. Now let us go to the our Regex tool and I will explain it with an example. This is our test string. Okay, thank you for contacting RPA automation team and thank you RPA automation. I want to replace wherever RPA is used as happy automation. Okay, so if we replace, it should be thank you for contacting happy automation team and thank you happy automation. So now by default under the function tab match is checked, match option is checked. Now I am going to click on the substitution. The moment you click on the substitution, this will be split into two text box. Okay, now I will just type RPA. Now I will click on substitution. You can see it is split into two, and this substitution gives us option to replace the pattern your pattern with the text you type in here. Okay, now I am going to type happy here. Once if we type, it is showing us thank you for contacting happy automation team. If you instead of happy, if you use UiPath, it will type as thank you for contacting UiPath automation team. Okay, like this, whatever the text you give here, it will be replaced against your pattern you used in the test string. Okay, in UiPath tool we can do this just by using a function regex.replace and then we can give the our pattern. This is our pattern and then string we will give this entire text string and then our substitution string we will also give that. I will explain with UiPath tool how to use regular expression once we complete all the regex sections in this video series. Okay, now you just know that we have an option to replace and check how the value or output actually appears under the substitution. Okay, after replacing the value. Thank you friends. In the next video we will see positive look ahead and a positive look behind. Okay, like the same there is also negative look ahead and negative look behind. Okay, thank you.